Hello kids, welcome to my channel and today we learn parts of computer name. So let's get start the video. Monitor. This is monitor. Computer case. This is computer case. Keyboard. This is keyboard. Mouse. This is mouse. Speakers. This is speakers. Power supply. This is power supply. Modem. This is modem. Motherboard. This is motherboard. CPU. This is CPU. CD. This is CD. CD and DVD drive. This is CD and DVD drive. Hard disk. This is hard disk. Ethernet internet cable. This is Ethernet internet cable. RAM. This is RAM. Joystick. This is joystick. Case fan. This is case fan. Headphone. This is headphone. CPU fan. This is CPU fan. Zip drive. This is zip drive. Pen drive. This is pen drive. Scanner. This is scanner. USB cable. This is USB cable. Mouse pad. This is mouse pad. Router. This is router. USB hard disk. This is USB hard disk. Card reader. This is card reader.